Guess how many showers I'm gonna take. There's fresh water everywhere. Look at this, free water.
Somebody's not paddling very hard. Oh boy, okay buddy.
This is the spot where the fort was that Captain Morgan had to attack in order to get into the Chagres.
Cheers.
So we're approaching the staging point for the Panama Canal. I've never seen so many big ships before in my life. Previously on Project Atticus.
After spending 3 years refitting our fixer-upper sailboat, we left the United States with only $2,000 and the goal of working while we cruised. We made it as far as Isla Mujeres, Mexico, before we ran out of money and had to find work. For the next year, we did freelance boat repair jobs until we saved up enough cash to cast the lines and sail south to explore the Western Caribbean.
After being stuck in Bocas del Toro, Panama, due to the coronavirus, we're finally on our way to the Panama Canal, our first step towards crossing the Pacific Ocean. But along the way, we're going to be stopping in some of the most beautiful anchorages in Panama. All right, so yeah, we're like 2 miles out, and this is going to be the only tricky part, hopefully, of the day. There's some reef at the entrance to the River Chagres. There's a fort at the mouth of the river, and that we want to approach that fort going due east, and that way we'll kind of avoid the reef, which will be on our left, as well as some shoals that'll be on our right. All right, so I'm gonna do a bow watch on our way in here, but I don't know how much help it's gonna be. You know, the water is definitely a little murky, and the sun just rose, so we're going right into the sun.
Depth is 8.8, 9.3.
That's good. We should expect it to be around 10 is the middle of the channel, and if we start to get too far to the edge, we'll see 5.
Yeah, I can't see anything.
Depth?
Depth is 6.6.
Well, that is the bluff that we're supposed to line up with according to our charts, and so we are exactly in line with the directions at the moment.
Okay, hard to starboard.
Hard to starboard.
All right, and we're in. So welcome to the Rio Chagres. All right, here comes our friends Ruby Vi.
Betty, guess how many showers I'm gonna take while we're here?
I don't know, how many?
Approximately 7 a day.
Yeah.
Because there's fresh water everywhere. Look at this, free water.
Yeah.
Woo! This is freedom, Betty.
Yeah.
So usually when we're off grid, we really have to conserve all of our water. I give myself like, I don't know, half a liter of water a day to shower with. Not today, baby.
Ah, whoa, okay.
Watch
Yeah.
yourself, Betty. Well, we are going to weather the storm by swimming over to our friends John and Molly's boat, and we are going to play some board games. And you have to promise you won't cry when I destroy you.
No promises.
We are taking the bag of sadness, and we got 2 paddles.
Nice.
Somebody's not paddling very hard. Oh boy, okay buddy.
Lovely day for a stroll.
Brace for impact.
Before we start playing games, we are going to have a special commemorative drink. Something that the Chagres is famous for is it's the way that Captain Morgan, the pirate privateer, was able to capture Panama City, and he sailed an army of
pirates basically up the river to get to the Pacific side and then to Panama City. And so it just so happens that John and Molly have Captain Morgan's Jamaica rum.
You could only buy it in Jamaica. This is our last one. We were in Jamaica a long time ago. We've stashed this just for today.
Cool. Here's to the captain.
That is what a $9 bottle of rum tastes like.
Yeah, right.
It's so good.
Man, it is such a cool place to wake up, man. Just to like poke my head out of the companionway and just see jungle all around us. It's really, really cool. I love it. Today, we're feeling well rested. We're gonna go check out the fort at the mouth of the river. I believe it's called Fort San Lorenzo. It was the fort that Captain Morgan had to attack in order to get his armada up this river. Yeah! Woo! History! I love history! You can see why they would build a fort here. I mean, it's got a perfect view to defend this entrance into the river. What do you think of the fort, buddy?
Very cool. I like the echo chamber the best so far. Bud! Hey, Bud!
Go. Nice. Perfect. Yes.
Oh, thank you. It looks so good. Oh my
Good
God,
job,
it's
Molly.
good.
Very good.
And it's cold. It's cold. I like how you hold yours like a little baby.
Mom, are you ready to go?
In my belly.
So good. What's in here?
Lime juice.
That is the best way to hold it. Just
Get away.
What's up, guys?
Grapefruit out of the sad sack.
Oh, nice.
Captain Morgan. Coconut, water, and ice. Et voila.
It's so good.
Voila.
Et voila.
Coconut drink. And detached. It was nice knowing you, Wyatt.
Give us a win.
Bye.
How'd you lose your parents?
Very tragic. Relaxy taxi accident.
Same old story.
Cheers. All right. Yeah, I feel like I'm in an IMAX theater, except it's like the jungle just flowing by.
Yeah, it's that.
I feel like my seat's broken.
Yeah, it looks great.
Oh God.
It's time for us to say goodbye to this beautiful, tranquil, just awesome anchorage. We are gonna be heading to Shelter Bay Marina, which is over by the canal. We're gonna be doing some projects over there for the next little bit before we actually go through the canal and then cross the Pacific. So we are coming down to the wire on this freaking massive adventure, and I'm pretty excited about it.
Here, it's like a little hidden paradise, you know? Everything you need.
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss this little spot.
Yeah, I hear you. approaching the main channel or cut through the breakwater for Cologne Harbor, the staging point for the Panama Canal. And right outside of the breakwater, we're passing maybe 24 large tankers and cargo ships. Pretty cool. I've never seen so many big ships before in my life. Cristobal Signal Station, Cristobal Signal Station. This is sailing vessel Atticus. We are 1 mile from the channel through the breakwater and would like to enter into Cologne Harbor on our way to Shelter Bay.
You are clear to proceed, Captain. Please proceed towards Shelter Bay.
All right, so we got permission to go through the channel. It is definitely a little stressful because there are giant ships everywhere. We've never experienced anything like this on Atticus, you know? Mm-hmm. So in the spirit of like having unique experiences, this is definitely cool. Made it through the breakwater and we are in Cologne Harbor and I can see the Panama Canal right over there. Is that good?
Is he gonna make it?
I don't know Celsius. What do you think, buddy?
It is so nice. They've got a restaurant that's open till 9:30, like way past my bedtime. They've got a gym. They've got air-conditioned bathrooms, air-conditioned common areas, so I can do my editing up there.
Yeah.
So excited.
I know.
It's so nice.
Pretty excited about a little bit of luxury.
I'm excited about that gym because like these babies are gonna just rip my shirt pretty soon. It's gonna be like, ah,
I'm excited.
Beast.
Yes, buddy. That's definitely gonna happen. I'm very
Yes, I
excited
have been
about
working out.
that. Yeah. Okay.
You want to feel it again?
Yeah. That's good.
It's good, huh?
All right. Oh.
See, we're here at Shelter Bay after maybe 3 months waiting. These guys finally decided to show up. Project Atticus with Desiree and Jordan, they decided to show up at Shelter Bay. So let's see if I send them this video, I can make it to their YouTube video channel. So Project Atticus, welcome to Shelter Bay. I'm getting a video of the video for the eventual video. Does it work? Exactly.